Did you know that Tesla now produces one brand new car every 30 seconds at their Giga Shanghai factory? Think about that for a second. Every half minute, a fully assembled electric vehicle rolls off the line, ready to hit the road. That kind of speed sounds almost impossible, but it's real. What's even more mind-blowing is how Tesla went from the edge of bankruptcy and chaos in 2017 to becoming one of the fastest, most advanced manufacturing companies in the world just a few years later. This is not just a story about electric cars, it's a story about how one company completely reinvented the art of making them. Tesla builds several models: the Model S, the Model X, the Model 3, and the Model Y. Each has its own design, its own process, and its own magic. But today, we're focusing on the Model Y built at Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas, because it perfectly showcases how Tesla manufactures vehicles in a way that no other company on Earth can match. Before we begin this jaw-dropping journey through one of the most advanced factories on Earth, make sure to hit like and subscribe, because what you're about to see will change the way you think about technology forever. It all starts with metal. Giant rolls of aluminum are fed into enormous stamping machines that press the sheets into the exact shapes needed for the car's body panels. The sound is thunderous. These presses hit with thousands of tons of force, shaping doors, fenders, and hoods with incredible accuracy. Dozens of these machines work side by side, pounding and cutting as sparks fly in every direction. Once the pieces are ready, the next stage begins, the famous body-in-white phase. Here, an army of robotic arms goes to work, welding the panels together into the car's skeleton. This stage is mesmerizing to watch. The robots move with precision and grace, like mechanical dancers in perfect rhythm. Bit by bit, the Model Y begins to take shape. After the skeleton is complete, it's time for human hands to step in. Technicians fit the panels, attach doors, align fenders, and make sure every piece fits perfectly. In Tesla's early days, the company was criticized for inconsistent panel gaps and uneven finishes. But with the precision systems now in place at Giga Texas, those problems are history. The tolerances are tight, the alignment is spot on, and the cars look flawless even before they're painted. Next comes the paint shop, where technology meets artistry. The body is cleaned, sanded, and then layered with multiple coats of paint. White is the easiest color to apply. That's why it's the cheapest option. Red, on the other hand, is a masterpiece of layering, metallic speckles, and deep gloss that makes the car shimmer under the sun. Once it's painted and polished, the body heads off for interior assembly. Seats, dashboards, and screens are installed, and the car begins to look more alive. But what really makes a Tesla different lies underneath. While the paint shop gives the car its beauty, the real power comes from the underbody and the structural battery pack. This battery pack isn't just for storing energy, it's the backbone of the car itself. Tesla's revolutionary design uses 4,680 battery cells arranged in a way that makes the pack part of the car's frame. Then come the massive front and rear castings, each forged by Tesla's incredible gigapress machines. These monsters can generate over 6,000 tons of pressure, shaping entire sections of the vehicle in one shot. Where traditional automakers needed hundreds of small parts and robots, Tesla replaced all of that with a single casting. It's faster, simpler, and stronger. Don't go anywhere. The best is yet to come. Once the front and rear castings are connected to the structural battery, you essentially have the car's entire underbody, a rolling platform with wheels, motors, and brakes all attached. The electric motors are installed, one in the front and one in the back, giving the Model Y its all-wheel drive power. And finally, in one of the most satisfying steps in automotive manufacturing, the painted body is carefully lowered onto the completed frame. This process is known as the marriage, the moment when the two halves become one, and a Tesla is truly born. Now imagine this entire process happening fast enough to produce a new car every 30 seconds. That's what Tesla has achieved at Giga Shanghai. And this isn't some theoretical number. It's happening right now. But this level of perfection didn't come easy. To understand how Tesla reached this point, you have to go back to 2017, the year Elon Musk famously called production hell. At that time, Tesla was on the brink. The company had just launched the Model 3, and demand was through the roof. But the factory couldn't keep up. Cars were delayed, assembly lines were breaking down, and Elon Musk was reportedly sleeping on the factory floor, trying to save the company from collapse. Tesla was losing money faster than it could make it. It was chaos, pure and simple. But Tesla did what great companies do when their back is against the wall. They learned, they refined, they evolved, they automated. Musk became obsessed with the idea of what he called the machine that builds the machine. Instead of just focusing on building better cars, Tesla focused on building better factories. They increased automation, streamlined processes, and removed unnecessary steps. As Elon often says, the best part is no part. The best process is no process. That philosophy reshaped Tesla forever. We've got more incredible content on the way. Stay with us. When Giga Shanghai broke ground in January 2019, it was more than just another factory. It was a chance for redemption. Most experts said it would take years to complete. But Tesla shocked the world. In less than 12 months, they were producing and delivering cars. By late 2022, Shanghai was building around 87,000 vehicles per month, well over 1 million per year. That's more than its original capacity by hundreds of thousands of units. Even COVID lockdowns couldn't stop it. The production lines were upgraded, efficiency was boosted, and output skyrocketed. The Shanghai factory became so efficient that Tesla's problem wasn't making cars anymore. It was shipping them. Elon Musk even admitted during an earnings call that they ran out of boats, trains, and trucks to move the cars. The factory was building vehicles faster than the world could deliver them. It's no wonder Tesla started sending engineers from China to help speed up production at their original Fremont, California plant. The Fremont factory, once owned by General Motors and Toyota, had been a symbol of old-school car making. Tesla turned it into something entirely new. They added tents to increase space, installed the Giga press outside in the parking lot, and pushed production to over 650,000 cars per year, making it the most productive car factory in the United States. And they're still not done. The goal is to reach 750,000 cars annually, with help from those same engineers trained in Shanghai's lightning-fast production methods. Meanwhile, in Texas, Tesla's newest Gigafactory is proving that the future of car manufacturing is already here. In just 151 days after opening, the team built 20,000 Model Ys. That's twice as fast as before, and the pace keeps accelerating. Watching this process is like watching an orchestra perform, a mechanical symphony of arms, belts, and machines all moving in perfect synchronization. Every part of the system knows exactly what to do and when to do it. Keep watching. What's coming will change everything you know. And now, Tesla's sights are set even higher. The Cybertruck is next, and it's being built with an even bigger Gigapress machine. Elon Musk has hinted that future Tesla models might be cast as a single piece, just like a Hot Wheels car. Imagine a car that isn't welded together from hundreds of parts, but born in one solid form, from one mold. It's wild, but knowing Tesla, It's probably coming sooner than anyone expects. What's most inspiring is that none of this was supposed to happen. Tesla wasn't expected to survive. Traditional automakers laughed at the idea of a Silicon Valley startup making electric cars. But Tesla didn't just survive, they changed everything. From those dark days of sleeping on factory floors to producing over 1 million vehicles a year, Tesla's story is the ultimate American comeback. It's about persistence, innovation, and pure belief in the impossible. More secrets, more breakthroughs, coming up next. At this pace, Elon Musk's team is well on their way to producing 1 Tesla every 15 seconds. Think about that. A company that once struggled to make a few cars a week is now outpacing the biggest names in the industry. And this is just the beginning. Tesla isn't just building cars, they're building the future. From the factory floor to the open road, each car represents a piece of human ingenuity, a symbol of how far determination and technology can go when they move at the speed of imagination. So the next time you see a Tesla glide silently down the street, remember, 30 seconds ago, it was just a pile of aluminum and steel. And now, it's a glimpse of tomorrow, rolling forward on 4 wheels, powered by electricity and driven by vision. If you enjoyed this journey inside Tesla's secret factory and believe in a cleaner, brighter future, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because this is just the beginning of the story. The future is closer than you think.